sunset. Right there. The camera's not really capturing it, but it looks great. But it doesn't capture like the full depth.
Right now we on the Pocket 3.
You can go that way. Gotta make like a U-turn.
This is like the drove in here, I came in and had to make a left.
So make a left.
I'm looking for the turn signal. Philly, baby. You see it? Tablecloth too.
Where?
To the store.
Okay.
This is cool. Alright. Put this in neutral. Turn it off.
It's rolling.
Oh, dang. So let me put it in forward. That way it won't roll back. Oh, I got lights too. I didn't even look at the lights. Oh, thank you. Yep. All right, so we're here at the camp store. You know, we're gonna see what it's hitting for. Yeah, it's actually nice. So yeah, they got all kind of goods and sugar. So we got ice cream, snack bar. I'm not sure what that is. How much? Oh yeah, we cool. See if you can find them. We're gonna see what we can find, and then we're gonna put this campground on the map. Stand by. $58 later. What did I do with the golf key? Now I gotta find the golf cart key. It's in my pocket. Got it. And where's back at? She said put it onto the back. Let me walk around and see where. No, not yet. Oh, okay. Here we go.
You're welcome. Only the ones in my jaw.
All right, so we got the wood.
You're welcome.
Thank you. All right.
Have a good weekend.
You too. All right, so we good.
I want to roast marshmallows tonight.
It's about to rain.
Huh?
It still drops. So
What they gotta do with me?
All right, so we about to head back to the cabin. One to the left.
No, we're going this way.
Oh yeah.
You don't have no sense of direction.
You got it. All right, so we got Naya driving. She always trying to drive something. Here she go. I wonder where she got her heavy foot from. Yeah. We're on our way back. Got the headlights on.
That's so nice. That's such a nice touch.
And this is the Pocket 3 footage. I might bring out the Action 5 later. Check out the nighttime footage. There's the chicken. Not you. That's a nice destination, John. Grand Villa. Memorial Day themed cabins ready. Stop
I'm
here.
trying.
Sheesh.
These brakes are hard.
We about to take Gizmo out.
What do you put it in forward?
Put it in reverse. Put it in reverse.
Not reverse. It's neutral.
Neutral is gonna let it roll. I want.
See?
Yeah, put it in reverse. That way the gears are locked.
That happened and we rolled.
So that's
too.
the part. So if you put it in neutral and then you push the park part.
Right here.
Mo, watch out for Ellie, cause I don't.
Watch out.
Where's Gizmo?
Gizmo, he cool. He been ran over before.
It's still rolling.
Okay, well put it in reverse like he said. When I did it, I did it fine. I don't know.
Where's the park button?
Why? How you got the key out? So after you stop it, the top part goes down.
So put the key back in.
Yeah, cause it's not even staying. Put the key back in.
Oh no! It wasn't even me. Okay, so or put it in neutral and then.
Let go of it and push park real quick. Watch out, Ellie! Push park. There you go.
Alright, that's how you do it. You know what the instructions is.
Woo, girl.
Alright, so
Okay. So
you ready to get your food taken back to the
Oh, I feel the rain. Let me get my umbrella. Out
Yeah,
the
it's
truck.
raining.
We got marshmallows and we got.
I'm trying to think.
Skewers.
I should bring out my
Why is it raining?
I should bring out my
So I have skewers at home. I wouldn't try them.
Why did you take
I might set my food up underneath the john.
Okay. That's annoying. That's what. Get your tent out. That way you can still cook. And put the tent right here.
Yeah, I guess I could. But Steve truck gonna be in the way. But yeah, so
Why? How big is it? You got a small one, you said.
I ain't bringing small. I brought the regular size one, the 10 by 10. But I can set it up the long way though. Oh, well, 10 by 10 is 10 by 10, so it don't matter. All right,
That's the only thing about the mountains. It don't start and then stop and start and stop.
This is my oldest daughter, as y'all seen from the last video, from the Canopus video. That's the oldest, and that's the youngest. And next month, I'll be in Florida with my middle daughter. And yeah, I'll take you up there. Yeah, cause then I want to come back after I finish eating, since y'all gonna be up there for a while.
Okay.
And they packed the water. She said she already told me. She said it burns fast. So I just bought 5. Huh?
How much were the bundles?
I don't remember, like $5.99 or something.
We're buying that
It's like $50-something. Well, no, cause I bought the sticks and marshmallows
Well, we
too.
plan on buying the next batch.
But I don't know if I want to leave this out here, cause if it start raining, I don't want the wood to get wet. I'll move it. So
But it's not supposed to rain, so it should be
it's probably just gonna sprinkle. All right, so I'm back in the pocket 3, and yeah, right now we at the in-laws campsite, and yeah, we got the J flight, and you already got the.
He'll lick you to death.
No,
He's a jumper.
that's Duke.
He's a good dog.
They got the fire going.
Good dog.
Got the grandkids here chilling.
He's still a puppy.
Gizmo chilling.
He'll be 2.
How old? When y'all come back next time, can you bring their iPads from the car?
We got Grape and Livy chilling.
Chilling by the fire.
Steve over here babysitting Remy. Stumbling, bumbling. Well, yeah, I'm about to go back and cook.
Old. Gizmo's like 9 years old.
I'm about to go back and cook, and then oh yeah, by the way, it's going on. When's your birthday, Steve?
May 29th.
29th. I thought we celebrating your birthday this weekend.
We do, but his birthday is not this week.
Oh man, I'm not singing happy birthday tomorrow then.
Yeah, it's not tomorrow.
I know. Oh, but yeah, I'm about to go make me something to eat. And yeah. Oh, you should have said something, man. I'd have brought some. All right, so I'll tune back in later.
20 minutes later.
All right, so now we on to Action 5. So I meant to record, but so this is what's going on. All right, so this is my first time hooking up with propane. This is the Royal Gourmet. It has a grill and it has a griddle. I don't have much light out here. But yo, as soon as I put it on light, as soon as I hit the igniter button, it lit up one time. I didn't even have to hit it twice. So I'm about to grill some sausage and stuff. I'm letting this heat up. This is the first time. I do have some griddle seasoning. I'm not sure if I'm going to do the grill part. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I might try to put a little bit on there and see what happens. But yeah, this is gonna be cool. So let me get this finished set up, and then I'll let y'all check me out grilling. All right, what's going on? I'm back. All right, so listen, I got one of these lights I had from the last camper trip. It's actually a fan, but it's also it got a ring light on here. So they got the different levels. That's off. So they got the 1 level, 2 level, 3 levels. So yeah, got the battery settings set to back on the Action 5. So I'm about to go ahead and get this popping. But yeah, let me get this set up again. Hold on. Alright, so I'm back. Alright, so I'm doing something simple, man. I ain't eat all day. I just want to make something quick so I can get back to the in-laws. And so I just grabbed some Arnold's beef, made with beef bacon, and some of these Nathan kosher beef boneless franks. I make 2 and 2. I got some coleslaw somewhere. And we got a bunch of chips and stuff like that for snacks. So yeah, but again, let me just show you how simple this was. You turn it to the light feature, hit the igniter, bang! That's showing the lights right up. So I'm gonna leave it on high for now, and then I might try to season the grill part. I might just leave it raw, and then see how it goes. So stay tuned and see how this work out. Alright, so I got the grill going.
One more than this?
No, let's put it down, thanks.
Ooh, that looks nice.
So what's going on? This is something I got off of Amazon, like $8. I did buy, no, I think this comes, no, I bought this grill kit, but this is, I don't need all this right now, and I want to see that in the morning. But I'll use this small one for now, and then just play with this. So okay. This shit don't take long at all. Let me turn this down a little bit. But this right here is a windscreen type of scenario. It's breezy out here. It's not too bad. I don't even need this, but just to have it, and just in case I do get a little breeze, I'll put this up just to eliminate the flames from getting dimmed down with the wind. But yeah, you're not gonna be able to see too much. I'm on 4K 24. That's the Action 5, and very dimly lit. Not horrible, but you know. Let's see what Naya doing. Naya's in there eating. She made a sandwich. We'll probably do more in-depth dinners and breakfasts tomorrow. Alright, let me finish cooking this before it burns. Alright, so I'm back on the Action 5. Alright, so curious how my food came out. Yeah, this came out pretty good in my opinion. You know what I'm saying? Nice and charbroiled. Well, not charbroiled, but I mean, I guess you could call it charbroiled. This is a little dark, but that's cool. Grilling at night, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, I'm cool with this. So I'm about to eat this with some coleslaw. Naya wanted a hot dog, made her a hot dog. She made her a sandwich, and she outside doing something with the beverages. But yeah, he about to finish eating and get it on. Yeah, good morning. We did it, another morning camping. And my daughter, she's up. I think one of the grandkids was up. The dog's been out for a minute, and Naya's still asleep. I'm outside rearranging tables from last night to keep the party peace. But I'm about to go outside real quick and chill. That's nice. It's chilly, but I'm cool. Where is my cigars? But I'll check back in a minute.
Skills.
Chilling with teammate skills, you know what I mean?